Okay, so we're heading back to the scene of the crime. So the last time we took the drone up with a strobe light in an attempt to scare away the birds that would hassle the drone, that ended in an epic failure. Anyway, the same bloody thing happened. The birds went nuts and had a real go at the drone. You can see that here from the footage I recorded with my phone. I think they dive bombed it more than last time, so that didn't really work. So I've had a few comments from people to say, put some stickers on the drone to make it look like a bird. So you've got eye stickers. So I've got some of those and we've popped those on, so we'll give that a go. So we're testing that out. But not only that, we're back on the Osmo action. A good mate, Corey, awesome photographer down in Wellington, New Zealand, gave me the idea for this video. So I popped the Osmo action on, and the audio is actually coming through my Rode Wireless Go, which I've got there. So I thought it'd be good to do a little bit of running commentary while we get the drone up and see if these eye stickers actually that bloody thing's mocking me, eh? It's sort of saying, he's back. Look, the clown is back. All right, and get that one. So anyway, we'll give these eye stickers a go. I'm kind of dubious on that. Think of a hoary old flashing light is not going to scare the birds away. Then how's a couple of stickers that are meant to look like eyes? But let's give it a go. I'm here now. Let's get it all set up and we'll get it up there.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So it's meant to look like a pretty scary old bird. Whether it does or not is another thing altogether. There's a bunch of birds around. There's sparrows, there's ducks. It's usually the seagulls that give me jip. But let's see if they turn up. I mean, last time they weren't even there and then they just arrived. Let's see if this works.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Nah. Bastard. Well, as you can see, they're really going to town. See if I can video that as well on my phone. Here we go, they've all appeared. I'll put it up there, a bit higher. See if that works. Oh man, it's even worse than before. Even worse than before. Unbelievable. So the light doesn't work and these stickers don't work. I mean, who could have guessed that stickers on the top of this tiny little drone would not work? Huh? What are the odds? Oh, hang on a sec. They've actually gone. No, coming back. So there's like, it's mainly the seagulls. Whoa! That was close. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the bastards. Oh man. Well, I'd have to say that's probably an epic fail as well. I mean, they look scary to me. They look scary to me. They look scary to you? No. Well, that was a big fail. I don't know what I'm going to do now. So, anyone that's out there that's got any ideas about this, I'm all ears. Okay, attempt number 2. We're going to see if we can get the drone up, see if these scary stickers will scare off some birds. I can't really see why they wouldn't. Right. Go and be scary.
It kind of feels like this.
And lo and behold, it's like a bloody magnet. Now I can hear them coming back. Bastards. All right. Ducks don't seem bothered. It's really just those seagulls coming in hot. Okay, I think we can categorically say that stickers on the drones, well, they don't really work. Now, I know a lot of the people who have commented on my previous videos have talked about different types of birds that have sort of circled or attacked their drones, and they sound a lot more aggressive than the ones we've got here in New Zealand. I mean, we do have hawks and eagles and things here in New Zealand, but not really in urban situations like this. We've just got your basic seagull, and I'd say some sort of American hawk or red eagle or something is going to be a lot more aggressive than some poxy old seagull. So if it's not going to work for seagulls, it's probably not going to work for the birds that you got in your area either. Bugger!
Kind of feels like this. Oh, hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down? Being with you is so easy. Hey, if you want, honey, you can